Hello guys, and this is the OP Sliver 125, and I woke up this morning and the fire alarm went off. It was literally super duper loud. We had to all go outside, and one of the neighbors called the police. Well, not the policeman, but the fireman. And then they said, call the police. And then so he did. And then they're like, call the firefighters. Then he said, go. Well, I already did. And, ow. Yeah, so we saw all these dogs and stuff. They said that there was no fire, but everybody thinks that there's something with the wire or somebody's messing with the alarm. I do not want it to come on again. And if it does during this video, I'm gonna... Okay. Yeah. That is what I'm going to do. Do. Back to the normal spot. Okay. Oh yeah. I don't know, like, how or why or when or what. But I'm just going to put something on. I like this. Be quiet, music! Bye now.